Hi everyone, this is a follow-up on all about free-to-air satellites and equipment part 2 of the previous part 1 video we released a few years ago. This is just an update. This is the 2021 update, this video. So this update will cover all the channels that are available at the moment in 2021, all the channels you can watch freely, then all the equipments, the latest equipments you need and all that. Then don't forget to get all your free-to-air equipment. All you need to do is to visit www.satelitetechnologies.com.ng to purchase all your free-to-air equipment. You can also check all other products available there: biometrics, camcorders, decoders, cables, dishes, LMBs, dissect switch, all the equipment you need for free-to-air, and it's nationwide delivery across Nigeria. There are some locations where you can pay on delivery, while there are some locations where you have to pay before they can ship your item because of the sizes of the equipment. So all they are accredited distributors, so your payment is safe and guaranteed on the platform. We'll go back to the website again. So before we proceed here, these are some satellites, and we have more channels available on the free-to-air. So in the next video we are going to merge with this video, you will see all the channels available at the moment on some of the satellites that we covered. That is the Joy satellite, the Nikomsat satellite, then the Bat satellite, which is under the 68 degrees in the video, then a Hotbed where you have MyTV, TSTV and other free-to-air channels, then Astra 1 as well as the 28 degrees, the Joy satellite, the Nikomsat. The channels available, you will see them in the video right here. So here, these are some of the equipments you need for your free-to-air. So this is a decoder. This is one of the decoder. This is the latest decoder for Strong. That's 497S, which is a H265 HEVC decoder. You can multi-stream. Then you can also open MyTV channels. So you need a decoder. These are some of Strong decoders as well. Then this is another decoder, 4954. This can also multi-stream as well. Then you need a dish. Then don't forget that the more your dishes, the more the channels you will get. So in the video merged with this one where you see all the channels, you will see that we have a combination of 5 dishes where we're able to get over 900 channels. You can combine your dishes using a switch. This switch can combine 4 dishes. Then if you buy another switch that has more ports, this one is 1 dish, 2 dish, 3 dish, 4 dish, then this cable is only going inside the decoder. That's from outside to the decoder. So there are also switches where you have up to 8 ports. That's 8 in 1. This is 4 in 1. So that's the dissect switch to combine your dishes. Then this is the cable. This is a quasar cable for free-to-air and also antenna. Then this is RF connector, which goes into the dissect switch port. Then you also need LMB. This LMB. So all these equipments you can purchase them on www.satelitetechnologies.com.ng, this website, and they ship across Nigeria. So you can purchase all the equipments there. You can combine up to 4 dishes using this switch. Then if you need more channels, again, the more your dishes, the more your channels. If you need more channels, you just buy 8 in 1. The dishes are very, very light, so they don't really take up more space. They are 60 cm dishes. So in the video merged with this, you will see all the channels that we're able to get with 5 dishes. And if you have a very big dish, you can just use your LMB. You can attach your LMB. If they call your installer, they use it to track maybe 5 or 4 satellites. That's on a very big dish from 1.8 meters or 2 meters above. If you don't want to buy as many small dishes as you can, you know. So let's proceed from here. So here is the website to purchase your free-to-air equipment. That's www.satelitetechnologies.com.ng. You can see the website right there. So you can see this is the home page where you can see other products. So here, once you go to shop here, you just go to free-to-air section there. Once you go to free-to-air section, you will see all the free-to-air equipments. They are all there. So there is also package with 2 dishes, package with 1 dish, depends on the number of channels you want to watch. You can see some of the packages right here. This one dish, then the decoders as well. These are strong decoders. You can see some of them are HEVC. These are decoders. So you can check all the equipments right there. Then you place your order. You click on buy now. You enter your address, your phone number. Then for states which requires payment, you make your payment. For states which cover pay on delivery, you pay for shipping only. When the goods get to your state, they deliver and collect money at the point of delivery. So you can see all the equipments right there. So in the next video, we are going to cover the channels that are available for you to see all the channels you'll be able to get when you are using free to air. You see the church channels, the movies channels, world news, local channels, foreign movies, Nollywood, sports, and all the channels that are currently available at no extra cost. You don't have to pay subscription. Once you do it, you don't have to pay subscription. So in the next video you get to watch all that. Hi everyone, this is a follow-up on the all about free-to-air satellite in Nigeria and West Africa. This is the latest video. It's part 2. This is 2021, and here is just a brief updates on all the new satellites that are available at the moment. It's 2021. You can see right here I have 5 satellites right there. Nicomsat, as you can see, let me scroll. You can see all the channels available on Nicomsat. Let me be scrolling down. You can see the TP right there. You can see NBC, all the NBC movies. You can see all the local channels and some of the channels. Then world news. You can see some of them are encrypted while most of them are free. As you can see, TVC news, all these channels are all, you can see all these are premium channels. They are all on Nicomsat position at the moment. This 2021 is spot on. So here I have I'm going to explain briefly to you what this is. You can see I have 5 satellites there. Each of these satellites are on different dishes. They are on different dishes. So I use a dissect combination. If you've watched the part 1, that's the all about free-to-air satellite part 1, which I'm going to match this video with right now. So make sure you watch all the full video lengths. So this is another satellite hotbed. You can see all the channels I have right here. This is on the TSTV position. You can see the tracking frequencies right there. Most of the channels are free, and my TV is also there as well if you have a 49/7S decoder. So don't forget, if you want to purchase all your free-to-air equipments, all you need to do, you can see all the channels. All you have to do is to visit www.ctytechnologies.com.ng to purchase your good. They are accredited dealer in Nigeria, and they ship to all the states in Nigeria. Just visit the website to place your order. The website will also be visible on the video link at www.ctytechnologies.com.ng. You can see all the channels on hotbed. You can see I'm still scrolling down. You can see right here all this one, they show Christian movies 24 hours for those that love Christian movies. These movies are right now for Nollywood, this Kids School, TVC, Al Jazeera. They are all free. ETV, you can see all the channels for sports, 8 Flix Action, France 24, DW News. You can see NBC Action, Beats Plus, Tara. This one they show Yoruba movies. So all this comedy, Bollywood, you can see all the channels on hotbed. All these are free. You don't have to pay for any subscription to get all this. All you need to do is to order your equipments. You can buy 2 or 3 dishes with your decoder. This Astra satellite. You can see the channels on Astra. You can see on Astra position. Let's see the total number of channels we have here. You can see on Astra position. Let's just scroll up. You can see we have about 332 channels alone on Astra position. That's the 28 degrees. So let me just scroll down for you to see all the channels are available for free on this position. You can see all this channel. I'm enjoying all this for free. I don't pay any subscription. Most of them shows Nollywood movies, wrestling, world news, sports, different kind of movies, entertainment, general entertainment, Indian movies, TV. You can see all the channels right here. Let me just scroll down to the end. As you can see, let me scroll down. So we are going to check the church satellite as well. BCN, you can see all these channels are free. You don't have to pay subscription to watch all these channels. So you can see with the combination of 5 dishes, I have about 1,000 plus channels, free to air channels. You can see the GTV spots. It's raining out there, so it's kind of noisy. So some of them are encrypted, but most of them are free. So as you can see, all the channels are available as of 2021. The free to air channels are available. Okay, see some of the channels here. So let's go to another satellite. Let's go to, okay, that's the hand for joy. Let's go to Amos satellite at 16 degrees, where you get to watch some French channels, sports. This satellite is very good for Nations Cup, World Cup, and all the sports cups. So you can see some of the channels on this position. It has about you can see about 343 channels, So let's scroll down to see some of the channels available right here. You can see all the channels. Some of them are encrypted, while most of them are free. African movies, you can see some of the channels right there. Okay. Light, Romanza, True African, PD's TV. So you can get all these with a combination of 4 or 5 dishes, and if you have a very big dish, you can track up to 3 or 4 satellites. So just visit www.citywitetechnologies.com.ng to get your equipment, and the shipping is nationwide. Just make your payment. There are some states that offers pay on delivery, while some states you need to pay before they can ship your equipment because of the size of the equipment, and to make sure that only serious buyers place orders. But you can see all the channels on Amos satellite at 16 degrees. So this one is bad, I put this on that, but this is church satellite, which is very good for Christians. This is good for Christians. As you can see, it has about the 68 degrees 105 channels. So this is where you have Koza, Dove TV, Love World, ROTM, that's Redeem. You can see Redeem, Dove TV. People that love Christian channels, that are Christians. You can see all the channels: MFM, Omega, KIC, Synagogue, Champions TV, Mercy TV, Ezekiel, Emmanuel TV. You can see all the channels, Eagles TV. They are all on that 68 degrees position. Celebration, Mercy TV Plus. You can see all the channels, RTM. You can see all those channels. So all you need to do is to get your equipment, get your dishes, your decoder, the dissect switch, the cable, the RF connector. Just visit www.citywitetechnologies.com.ng to get the equipment, where you can get the equipment and everything. So don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming updates on free to air equipment, channels, frequency, and all of that. And don't forget to purchase the equipment. Just visit www.citywitetechnologies.com.ng to purchase all your free to air equipment. So, and don't forget to watch the part 1 that we released a few years ago. Just check the channel, just watch the part 1 of the free to air, all about free to air in Africa, Nigeria, and all the channels available and the frequencies as well.